Welcome MGV Arts, Commerce and Science College, Malegaon City, Nasik, Department of Geography, Class FY BSc, Semester 1st, Paper 2nd, 112, Geography of Atmosphere and Hydrosphere. Now let's chapter number 1, part 3rd, Introduction to the Atmosphere. In previous lecture, Introduction to the Atmosphere first contained definition and evaluation of atmosphere. Second, composition of the atmosphere. And third, structure of the atmosphere. Structure of the atmosphere. How many structure of the atmosphere? There are the 5 layer on the atmosphere. First है troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. This is the most 5 layer on the atmosphere. Now today we have learned weather and climate, elements of weather and climate. Weather and climate. The differences between weather and climate is measure of time. First column show weather and second climate. Weather is the sum total of atmospheric condition at a given place for a short period. Other climate. Climate is a generalization of weather condition over long period of time. Second, weather. Weather can vary from time to or location to location. And climate, long term, 30 years or more. Weather always include time and location. And climate, average weather over many years in one specific place. For example, weather consists of short term to change minute to month. In most places, weather can change from time to time, hour to hour, day to day, season to season. And climate, the example of climate change, the long period of time space. You can expect snow in the northeast in January or for it to hot and humid in the southeast. This is the weather and climate. Question will be asked, what is the differences between weather and climate? Next point, elements of weather and climate. There are some elements of weather and climate. First, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure, air pressure on the earth's surface does not remain uniform at all places due to control of temperature relief, slope humidity, etc. Because the earth's surface unevenly distributed. Some places mountain, some places plain area, coastal area and sea level. There are the different physiographic nature on the earth's surface. There are the air pressure is differences on the earth's surface. Accordingly, some places of the earth bear more pressure while the other have low pressure. Next, temperature. Temperature is a sort of measure of hot heat. Hence, temperature is conventional representation of the velocity of motion of individual molecules. Air temperature is physically quantity to indicate the heat and cold of the air. For example, desert place, desert region, the temperature is a very hot, and cold region, temperature is very low. Next, humidity. The word humidity is used to express the state of the atmosphere with respect to the water vapor. It contains the quantity of measure the air can hold varies in response to the temperature. For example, in rainy season, the climate is very humid and moisture. Therefore, higher the temperature, more the capacity of air to absorb the moisture. Look at the picture. This is the humidity. Next point, rainfall. When the air is added with water vapor, it gets gradually saturated with moisture. When the capacity of air accommodated the water vapor is finished, air is cooled beyond dew point. Condensation starts and produce water droplets on earth is known as rain. Rain is the hydrological cycle process to evaporation, transpiration, and becoming condensation and falling on the earth's surface droplets water. This is called as the rain. Snowfall. When the saturated air attains dew point temperature or level of condensation around 0 degrees C and below degree C temperature, then the vapor molecules get converted into ice drop. Look at this picture. This is the ice drop fall on the earth's surface. Ice drop and fall toward the earth. Such fall or snow particle is known as snowfall. Next point, velocity and direction of the wind. Winds carry character of source region. In previous lecture, I have also discussed the physiographic of nature on the earth's surface is distributed, and differences of the physiographic means plain region, plateau region, mountain region, coastal region, and island. This is the 5 area covered of the physiography. Then physiographic जैसी रहेगी उसकी बेस पर क्या होगा, यहाँ का winds जो है चेंज होगी. सपोज इन हॉट एंड डेजर्ट रीजन winds blow hot, and other the cold regions wind blow cool, and ocean region winds are moisture and humid, blow on the earth's surface. The changes of the winds. Then winds carry character of the source region. When winds are oriented from hot region, the temperature rises, and below from cold region of source there is drop of temperature. Distance from the sea and mountain. Distance of the place from sea is crucial factor influence the temperature distribution. Interior part of the continent are found generally away from large water bodies, so there is higher ranges of temperature. Now next question answer. Question number 1, answer in one sentence. Question can be asked, write weather, write climate with example. and write the name of the elements of weather. Question number 2. Answer in short note. Difference. Write the difference about the weather and climate. Number 2. Write the elements of the weather. Okay, student. Now we have also to cover that part first, part second, and part third. Introduction to the atmosphere. Thank you.